Noise will only draw more of them over. The longer you wait, harder it'll be for you to get out of here.
We gotta do something.
Your dad's got it.
They're talking. We can kill the governor right now.
Yeah, from 50 yards.
I'm a good shot. I could end this right now.
Yeah, or you could start something else. You gotta trust him.
Where are you guys going? The bus, come on. No. You know the plan, that's where we're supposed to go. Carol told us to be strong, to protect ourselves. They have guns. We should have guns too. We should help.
You got maybe about an hour or something left. I suggest you start packing. The longer you wait, the harder it's going to be for you to get out of here. We can all live together.
There's enough room for all of us.
More than enough. I don't think my family would sleep well knowing that you were under the same roof.
We live in different cell blocks. We never have to see each other till we're all ready.
It could work. You know it could. It coulda. But it can't. Not after Woodbury. Not after Andrea.
Look, I'm not saying it's gonna be easy. Fact is,